Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to discuss some Japanese food eating habits. We know that Japanese people are most healthiest people in the world. They are very skinny, very strong, as well as their life expectancy is 84 years. And even that 84 years, they live very strong without diseases like a heart disease or diabetic disease or any blood pressure related disease. Why? Because of their food eating habit. So we can go for a Japanese dining table. In front of a person, there are 8 to 10 bowls, small bowls, not in a big plates, small bowls. In each bowls have different type of food. One have rice, another have fish, seaweeds, sushi, soup, yogurt, and different type of vegetables, pickle, and little amount of seeds. So they can enjoy the different variety food and different tasty food at the same time. That's the first thing. Second thing is that Japanese people have a slogan. They should finish their food when it reaches it 80%, or they always emptied their stomach 20%. So there is no chance of belly fat or no chance of excess of fat. And third one is that instead of meat and chicken, Japanese people like fish. Fish have omega 3, it's very good for health. And one more thing, instead of sugary drinks like Pepsi, Coca-Cola or etc., they likes to drink green tea. Whenever or wherever they go, Japanese people like to drink green tea. It's very good for making youth. And finally, they eat very slowly. They use to eat the food with a small equipment called chopsticks. With the help of the chopsticks, they ate food very slowly, and it's very good for appetite. These are their main food habits. In addition to it, they likes to walk a lot. For a grocery purchase, for a market purchase, they likes to walk. For little far away, they likes to use cycle. And even their workplace, they are using public transport. So if we follow this type of healthy habits, we will also become a more strong, skinny, and more life expectancy like Japanese people. Thank you very much.